fine by the God's grace. Now, I am going to teach class 12 UP Board English language. Okay? In English language, my topic is synthesis. In previous classes, I also have taught you synthesis. Part A, noun class, and part B, adjective class. Now, I am going to teach you third one, that is adverb class. Okay? Now, listen again. I am going to teach you synthesis and its especially subordinate class, that is an adverb class. Okay? But noun class and adjective class I have taught you in previous classes. So, listen carefully. For this, you require subordinate conjunctions. Subordinate conjunctions which are used especially in adverb class. Okay? Adverb class is used to show. For what purpose the adjective class is used? Students, listen to me carefully. The adverb class shows time, place, purpose, reason, condition, result, comparison, contrast, and manner. Okay, listen again carefully. Adverb class is used to show time, place, purpose, reason, condition, result, comparison, contrast, and manner. All these things are, the adverb class shows all these conditions. Okay? Now, one by one, I would like to explain you, try to understand by paying full attention towards me. So, I start from time. Time. How? Time, I am giving you example of two sentences to synthesize them. The first one is, I reached the station. I reached the station. And second sentence is, the train had departed. The train had departed. So, now we have to combine these two sentences together into one sentence containing adverb class. Like this. I reached the station. First sentence, I reached the station. I will note it down clearly. The I reached the station. Then I should use conjunction showing time. Kab pahuncha? After. After. And the second sentence, the train had left. Yeah. The train had departed. So, we will combine these two sentences together showing time. I reached the station after the train had departed. Okay? Is it clear to you, students? Now, come to the next point. Showing place. Adverb class showing place. How? Look at the example. Guru Nanak went to many places. Guru Nanak went to many places. He was welcome everywhere. He was welcome everywhere. Now, we have to combine these two sentences together showing place. For place, we use where. Kahan? Where? This shows place. So, we will combine like this. Guru Nanak was welcomed. Guru Nanak was welcomed wherever he went. Wherever event, जहां जहां वो गए उनका स्वागत। Like this we have to combine these two sentences. Okay students, now come at the next point, purpose. Adverb class showing purpose. Purpose means उद्देश्य, aim. Look at the example. Study carefully. Study carefully. Otherwise you will fail. ठीक से पढ़ो, केयरफुली पढ़ो, नहीं तो फेल हो जाओगे। Study carefully, otherwise you will fail. These two sentences are there to combine like this. Study carefully, lest. Coordinating conjunction lest is used to show purpose. Okay, lest you should fail. Should is used with lest. Should is used with lest. So like this, study carefully lest you should fail. Okay. Now come at the point 4, reason. Adverb class showing reason. क्यों ऐसा हुआ? That is to give the reason. Look at the example. She was ill. She was ill. वो बीमार. She could not attend the meeting. इसलिए वो reason is there. मीटिंग क्यों नहीं अटेंड कर सकी? रीजन था क्योंकि वो बीमार थी। She was ill. She could not attend the meeting. Now we will combine these two sentences together, adding subordinate conjunction showing reason. Like this, she could not attend the meeting. She could not attend the meeting. Why? क्यों नहीं अटेंड कर सकी? Now I have to give the reason. Because she was ill. क्योंकि वो बीमार थी. Like this, she could not attend the meeting because she was ill. Clear to you students? Now adverb class showing condition. Condition means शर्त. कोई शर्त रखी जाती है जिसमें. Look at the example. Work hard, मेहनत करो. You will get success. कामयाबी तुम्हें मिल जाएगी. You will get success, तुम्हें सफलता मिलेगी. अब condition में if is used as a conjunction, subordinating conjunction. If is used. Now we will combine these two sentences together. They are work hard. Second, you will get success. Like this. If you work hard. If you is added here, if subordinating conjunction showing condition. So if is used in place of, then you is used. If you work hard, then comma, you will get success. This sentence as the same. Okay. So like this, you will work hard. If you work hard, you will get success. Okay. Now the next one is showing result. Adverb class showing result. Result means parinam. Result show. Look at the example. The police came. Police आ गई. The mob dispersed. भीड़ तितर बितर हो गई. The police came. Second sentence is the mob dispersed. तो we have to combine these two sentences together like this. जैसे ही पुलिस आई भीड़ तितर बितर हो गई. तो जैसे ही as soon as. This subordinating conjunction will be used here because this shows result. As soon as the police came, the mob dispersed. Okay. And the next is showing comparison. कंपैरिजन यानी दो लोगों में तुलना करना, तोलना कोई चीज को। तो दो लोगों में अगर कोई चीज को हम कंपेयर करते हैं तो एडवर्ब क्लास ऑफ कंपैरिजन इज यूज्ड। फॉर एग्जांपल, राम इज वाइज, राम इज वाइज, इंटेलिजेंट। सेकंड सेंटेंस इज सोहन इज इक्वली वाइज, सोहन भी उतना ही इंटेलिजेंट है। मीन्स बोथ आर इक्वली इंटेलिजेंट। नाउ वी विल कंबाइन दीज टू सेंटेंसेस। राम इज एज वाइज एज सोहन, यानी दोनों इक्वल हैं, तो जितना राम वाइज है उतना ही सोहन। तो वी विल राइट लाइक दिस, राम इज एज वाइज एज सोहन। Okay students, is it clear to you? The next is subordinate clause showing contrast. Contrast दो लोगों में अलग अलग बात शो करना। For example, he worked hard, he worked hard. Second sentence is he failed, he worked hard, he failed. Now we will use conjunction though he worked hard, comma he failed. Though he worked hard, he failed. We will combine these two sentences together like this. And the last one is subordinate clause showing manner. Subordinate clause showing manner. Manner means ढंग, प्रकट करने के लिए। And the conjunctions are as if, as though, in that. You can take the example, Tom lived luxurious life. Tom lived luxurious life. Second sentence is he seemed to be a king. ऐसा मालूम पड़ता था जैसे वो किंग हो, इतनी लग्जूरियस लाइफ। So now we will have to combine these two sentences together like this. Tom lived a luxurious life as if he were a king. As if conjunction, subordinating conjunction is used here to show manner. In what manner? किस ढंग से रहता था? As if he were a king, जैसे कि वो राजा हो। As if he were a king. That's all students. This chapter is over now. Study it thoroughly, then do the given exercise. That's all. Thank you.